Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. It is Thursday, May 9th, 2019. Just trying to pull up to the fuel island here so I can get some fuel, start my day, and head up towards Clay. Glad you could be here. Okay, we're rolling. Got our fuel, and we are on the road, headed up to Clay, New York. Got 94 miles to the delivery. Should be there about 10 minutes early. That's on the delivery window, so our delivery window is 2 to 4. Well, should be there about 10 of 2. We got leeway there. As long as I'm there by 3, I don't have to tell anybody anything. If I'm going to be there after the middle of the window, I got to let them know. So unless there's some big traffic kerfuffle or something. Kerfuffle? How do you use that word? Trucker Josh uses that word. So anyway, that's a pretty good bump right there. We should be fine. We got us an overcast day right now, 59 degrees. We're just getting on to 81 north here. And we will check in with you later. Alright guys, we are just arriving at our delivery. Pull up here where you can check my seal. And they got a lot of mulch here. Yeah, I see Old Dominion's in the door there. And we go to on duty from driving. And we let people know I'm here. Alrighty, we are all checked in. We're backed in the dock. They got to clear their dock off. It's kind of full of freight right now, so. And it's 2 o'clock. They'll probably won't get started till 2:30. Hoping to be out of here by 3:30. That'd be great. A little nice out. Pretty warm. Still pretty overcast. But I'll take it. I'll take it over snow any day. Okay guys, we'll speak to you in a little while. Okay guys, we just got empty here at Clay. Getting ready to head on out. Alrighty, we are rolling on 81 South here. Going right through Syracuse here, as Airbird would say. And we'll be hitting a backup down here just like last week. And they got bridge construction here south of town, just below 481, so there's really no good way around it. Getting off on Route 11 up here would probably be just as bad. So, yeah, I looked on the traffic map. It's not really super bad yet, because we are just at 4 o'clock now, so we should be all right. Probably take us 20 minutes or so to get through. I have a feeling that this is going to be a pain in the butt through the summer. Alrighty, we are moving good now after that little backup back there. Wasn't but about 10 minutes long, I guess, something like that. I need to stop. I'm trying to think if I want to stop on the way down or the way back up. My load is ready. They already sent me a message saying the load's ready, so that's good. But they asked me to do a yard check down there, so I need to go through the whole yard and write down all our trailer numbers. It shouldn't be too bad. But I need to stop at Kenworth and Scranton and pick up that new cabinet door latch so I can get in and out of my back cabinet without having to use pliers. Oh, that's been a pain in the butt. Especially since you need needle nose pliers to be able to unlatch it. I couldn't find mine. I had to get them from home last weekend. But the handle on that upper cabinet right behind me here, the handle just broke off in my hand one day. So I had to get it. I found a place that had it, but didn't go by there. I couldn't get by there, so the Kenworth here in Scranton, they had it down in Lancaster, and they had it sent up to them. So should be there. I guess I should probably check on it, make sure for the whether, you know, bother stopping or not. Wow, the wind's getting strong, very, very strong. I don't know what that was. Did that come out in the camera? I'll see if I can get that into slow motion. Too bad I'm only filming at 24 frames per second. Yeah, something came off one of them cars. It flew through the air. Alright, we're down here in Scranton now. A couple of miles we'll be getting off here, and come on, little four-wheeler, get moving. There we go. A couple of miles we'll be getting off exit 188. Yeah, 188, going over to the Kenworth dealer and getting my door latch for my cabinet. I'd say it's 6:15 in the evening. Traffic is fairly light so far. Let's see, let's go in here and buy a new truck. Yeah, right. Yeah, how about this nice gray one on the left here? I like that color. Yeah, anybody got an extra $160,000, $170,000 laying around? Let me know. Okay, let's change our logbook. We're not driving anymore. And go inside and get our part. Made Right Steak Company. Steaks, anyone? Okay guys, we are rolling again. I got my door latch I needed for my clothes cabinet. It's right behind the driver's seat here, the tall cabinet that goes up to the ceiling. I broke that latch, what, beginning of last week, I think. Been having to use pliers to get it open. I'll be glad to get the handle back in there. Yeah, we got 56 miles left to go. And we'll do our turn, our drop and hook, and turn back north. Yeah, hopefully we'll be in Oneonta for our delivery about 12:30 tonight. Be nice. That guy's squeezing me a little. Pay attention, dude. Pay attention. Anyway, yeah, so we'll make our delivery tomorrow, and then I'm going to go right home. You know, I'm just about 20 miles away from that delivery in Oneonta, so I'll get home and throw some things in my pickup truck and going away for the weekend. I won't be delivering a load Monday, so won't be any video for Monday. Well, actually, I take that back. There'll be video for Monday because I'll be leaving probably Monday afternoon to early evening, depending on what load I get to deliver Tuesday. So I'm not delivering anything on Monday. So it's kind of like a 3-day weekend for me. I'll be home, you know, around 1 p.m. tomorrow, Friday, and won't come back to work till Monday afternoon. So it is a 3-day weekend, I guess. Alright guys, we have arrived here, obviously, at Brenningsville. We already dropped our empty. And we had to do a yard check, which is basically just driving through the yard and writing down all the trailers that belong to us. 5817, and boy, the mosquitoes are out. Kind of cool tonight though, so it'd probably be worse. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I was just looking on the back of the cab. There's spots here, that's just mud, I think. It's just one of the first places when you have something leaking, shows up on the back of the cab, because the air takes it down underneath the truck and then it swirls in between the truck and the trailer and gets up on the back. It almost looks like kind of greasy, oily stuff. Yeah, we'll keep our eye on it. That right there, that's mud. There's some other spots over there. Alright guys, we got all our paperwork done. I just had to send in a yard check, which I've already told you about. I had to text it all in, so it took me a few minutes here to put all the trailer numbers in. Okay, we are headed out towards the gate. GPS is showing 12:28 arrival time, so it'll probably be a few minutes after that. Alrighty, we're gonna get off here because we're coming up to the security gate. We'll talk to you after a while. Alright guys, just doing a quick walk around on the truck here, making sure everything looks okay before I go to bed here. I'm at the Walmart in Oneonta, New York. I'm gonna take my break here and go ahead and deliver that in the morning. This delivery is just right down the street, so. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching the Trucker John show today. Glad you could be here. Come back tomorrow. And hit that subscribe button. Also give me that thumbs up and leave me a comment. And I appreciate all of it. Thanks guys. Take care.